Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This week's video is going to be our DIY, our grass wall. So if you haven't done so, please like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you share. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we are doing a grass wall. We have a total of 36 panels. These right here. Also we have got a handy dandy stapler gun. Got our staplers. So we're gonna transform this entire area into an office. So, also we got 3 boxes. Let's start.
Guys, we got the boxes of grass from Amazon. I'll try my best to link down below. If I don't, just go to Amazon, type in grass wall, and read the reviews to see what everybody else have to say to get the best. It's 12 o'clock in the morning when we're doing this. So, y'all already know I wish I was in bed, but we got to get done. So let's get it. We just finished our first box on to the net, but more than half of the wall is complete. So let's see what time it's 1:06. I don't really know what time we started. What time we started? Like 12 something? 12:30. It was like 12:30.
12:37.
So, Garrett's moving pretty fast. I think we should be done at least by 2 o'clock. If not before.
2 o'clock, huh?
Y'all see that booty?
I gotta work more.
We'll probably be done by 2 o'clock.
Excuse me?
I'm gonna leave Gary for a second because I got to go to the potty. So, y'all see that stance? Y'all know y'all man likes butt. They're like, hey, butt grab. So, all the ladies, just grab your man's cheek just like this. Get it like this. Just chow. the size of your walls. You may not have to do this, but for us, split that little thing. Fill in both parts. Time is 3:03, 3:04, and it's complete.
Eternity later.
Like, comment, subscribe. Good night, next time. Bye.